Back again with another mini lesson. This time we are talking dividing a fraction by a whole number or a whole number by a fraction. So let's get started. Mini lesson starting off. If we've got 3 divided by 1/4, that means we have 3 whole pizzas, 1, 2, 3, and we're dividing them into fourths. So we're splitting them into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then how many pieces does that give us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 divided by 1/4 is 12. 3 pizzas divided into fourths is 12. And then if I have 5 divided by 1/6, now I'm talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pizzas, and I'm splitting them into sixths. So split it into sixths, split it into sixths, split it into sixths, and again, and again. So then how many pieces am I gonna have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 5 divided by 1/6 is going to be 30 pieces. 5 whole pizzas divided into sixths is 30. Then if we flip it around, it is different. So now if I do the fraction first, 1/4 divided by 5, now that means that I've got 1, 2, 3. So that means I've got 1/4 of a candy bar, and I'm dividing it into 5 pieces. So maybe you have this part of your candy bar and you're gonna split it up with a bunch of friends. Okay, so that means 1/4, and if I divide it by 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, that means each person is gonna get 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So each person would get 1/20 of the original candy bar. So 1/4 divided by 5 is 1/20. Same if we go over here, so 1/3. Now if you've got your candy bar and you split it into thirds, so now you've got 1/3 of that candy bar, okay? And you're gonna divide it by 2. So I'm gonna cut it right in half. Now that means 1 chunk of it is gonna be 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/6. Now, you might look at this and you might say, hey, I notice a pattern here. Really, all we're doing here is 3 times 4 is 12. And 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, and then here, 4 times 5 is 20, but it started with a fraction, so we have a fraction for an answer. Started with a whole number, have a whole number for an answer. 1/3 divided by 2, fraction, fraction, 3 times 2 is 6. Yes, you can simply memorize that if you want to. However, what I talk a lot about in my math class is if you try to memorize it, you're gonna forget it later. I want you to understand why it works the way that it works. Okay, but yes, you are right that really 5 divided by 1/6, you're just doing 5 times 6 to get to 30. Okay, so let's try some on your own. Click to the next video.